Hi, today is the 10th of December and we have got some requests to look at the wave counts in BHEL and IDFC First Bank. So this is the weekly chart of BHEL and you can see that BHEL is in an uptrend on the weekly chart and we are counted 1, 2, 3 and 4 waves down and the fifth up as well. Now if you go to the daily chart, this has counts this move from this low in September, August, counts as a nice 5 wave move. And then we have a 3 wave decline. So the stock appears to have started wave 3 of 5 to the upside. Now, the first hurdle it's going to face is around the 65 levels. And if it closes above 65, then we are more confident of this wave count. We have to closely watch these levels of A wave low, and these should not act as a resistance, and then it should come down from these levels. But the chart definitely looks very promising. The RSI has taken support around the 40 levels at all declines here as well as here and here. And so the chart looks pretty interesting. So on a long-term basis, we are looking this third wave to go beyond 85 in the near term. So this is a very promising chart with a very good risk reward ratio. Now we have taken a position today. Let me make that disclosure. And we have our stop loss around 62 on this. So let us see. If it is a third wave, it should go up pretty fast and not hit that stop loss. Otherwise, we are out of the position. So that is about the BHEL. Now let's go and look at IDFC First Bank. Now this is the weekly chart of IDFC First Bank. After a very prolonged decline, the chart actually rallied the last 1.5 years, and this was a very impulsive move. So we are labeling this as wave 1 up, and then there was a 3 wave decline, which is wave 2 down, and now the stock appears to have started to move up. Now let's look at it on the daily chart. On the daily chart, this move up can be labeled as a leading diagonal wave 1, and this is a wave 2, and wave 3 is starting to the upside. So let us label the chart. So this is how it looks, and it looks as though the stock is going into wave 3 of the third wave, and this, as you know, should be the strongest wave. We don't know as of yet, but let the chart prove itself. So we are long with call options, and we will be looking whether this stock clears this hurdle at 53 odd. And once this hurdle is cleared and the momentum does increase significantly, then this wave count was probably be right. Otherwise, something else is going on. So we are really bullish on IDFC First Bank for the time being, and our stop loss is around 47.50. And let us see what happens in the next few days and weeks. Take care and bye bye.